Hello guys. On Saturday's video, I was speaking about budget day candle is more or less engulfing candle, and there will be one side shake off and prices will likely go to the other side. On Friday and before days last week, I was speaking there is a good possibility prices will come down again because there are a good amount of mechanical references. This is one week low, this is 1 week low, so likely prices will come down to test these levels. So yesterday there was an attempt here, but then immediately today there was a strong gap up inside budget day value area and it started going upside. And in this context, let's understand both Nifty and Bank Nifty, what we should be looking for tomorrow. What happened today itself is Nifty has opened outside yesterday's value area but inside budget day value area. This indicates a likely prices will cover the whole value area, and if you look at, there is a acceptance 70 to 80% of the time prices will likely cover the whole value area. So that is what happened in the second 30 minutes. Came down, it tested the value area low of budget day. So why it happened is, again, in order flow, if you look at, the up move doesn't have any kind of limit buyers. So whatever the up move that has happened in the morning 30 minutes, it only have the strong aggressive buying. But on left side, if you look at, the volumes are not matching with the right side orders. Here if you look at 576.65, 387.73, 1.4k 798, 811, 241. So these left side orders, if they are not matching with the right side orders, then it speaks about the passive buyers are not interested at higher prices. So to bring them back, the prices went down and then prices started making higher highs. So in 1045 candle, there was a strong imbalance of 628 and 135. Then previous high has been broken again. This itself has happened inside the value area of budget day. So again, we know that prices will likely go for the value area high. From 1045 itself, it's a strong one time framing market. So in one time framing market, what happens is it occurs very rarely, less than 5% of the time, and whenever it happens, it will be so strong nothing will work. So there will be strong call rating coming at 23,500, 600, 700, and then still the prices started going up. Even if you look at around 11:15 and 12:15 here, there is a strong absorption indicated by prices continuously closing below the imbalances and volume clusters. But the buyers have other plans. So we can say OI has failed today. For tomorrow, what you should be looking, the budget day high itself has got rejected just below the December levels demand zone. So if you look at today, it has gone and sustained inside this demand zone. So unless I'm grossly wrong, Nifty should be going for 23,900 levels, and the demand zone high itself, the multi-day balance itself, is around 24,100 levels. So if this small resistance zone of 50 points is overcome, we can expect 24,100 also. Again, let me also tell you guys, these references are pretty strong references. Generally they get revisited within 3 to 5 days, around event days where there will be a strong momentum. These revisiting, it gets postponed, but it will get revisited. So for now, since the market is making higher highs, you can assume safely that it is uptrend. So this is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, what happened today is that same thing. There was an engulfing candle on budget day, and then yesterday prices made a lower low value, but yesterday there was a strong acceptance. If you look at, the prices got accepted inside the budget day value area. So this indicated it will cover the whole value area, which happened today. And what we should be looking for tomorrow or day after tomorrow is that, if you look at, Bank Nifty itself is getting accepted inside November demand zone. This is where November demand was there. So I think since the prices have closed above this demand zone, we can say safely that buyers have taken control, and we can easily expect, as of now, 50,700 will be your first target, and second target would be somewhere around 51,000 levels, and third target will be somewhere around this. There is one more demand zone in December, So this demand zone, they act as resistance, because so if the prices gets accepted above these levels, prices again will likely go for 52,000 levels. So just below these levels there was a strong breakout. The sellers from this breakout, they will come and they try to push the prices downside. So you need to be watchful around these 51,200 to 100 points downside, 100 points upside. Any acceptance here, you will see further strong up move towards 52,000, 52,200 is a good possibility. Even there are strong price magnets on upside, but at the same time this up move itself is leaving good amount of references on downside too. So these kind of references, there is a strong mechanical reference, there is a imbalance which has not been tested yet. So there is a strong value area, and yesterday itself is a strong value area. All these references which I have told, they all get revisited at some point of time, but for now assume it's a up move because it's making higher highs, and bank nifty itself has escaped the previous multi-day balance high at 49,756. But once again, if the prices comes down inside this value area, then there is a good possibility again sellers will try to take control. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow I think Delhi elections are there, and there will be exit polls. Day after tomorrow some event, I guess, I don't remember, there is some event. So all these things, they might bring much more volatility into the market. So just keep watching, guys. This is with Nifty and bank nifty. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, just go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.